Navaratri, a festival bursting with colors, dance, and devotion. Celebrated across India and the world, it brings communities together in joyous celebration. But what makes Navaratri so special? Let's uncover the magic behind these 9 auspicious nights. Navaratri means 9 nights, each one devoted to Goddess Durga and her 9 powerful forms. This festival celebrates the victory of good over evil, the divine strength of Shakti, and the spirit of resilience. Families gather in temples bright with lights, offering prayers and singing hymns to invoke the goddess's blessings. Navaratri is considered highly auspicious, a time for spiritual growth, renewal, and new beginnings. People immerse themselves in devotion, light diyas to dispel darkness, and observe fasting as a form of discipline. The festival pulses with energy, music, and the promise of a fresh start as families and friends come together to honor tradition and create joyful memories. Navaratri is celebrated for 9 days, each dedicated to a unique form of Goddess Durga, like Shailaputri, Brahmacharini, and Chandraghanta. Each goddess embodies qualities, strength, wisdom, prosperity, that guide and protect us in life. The colorful calendar of Navaratri signifies the presence of 9 divine energies, reminding us that every day offers a chance for renewal and growth. Navaratri's spirit goes beyond religious rituals. It's about unity, discipline, and positive transformation. The festival brings people together to dance Garba, share food, and meditate on inner strength. Its message is timeless. No matter where you are from, Navaratri inspires everyone to overcome negativity and embrace hope, joy, and the power within. May the divine light of Navaratri illuminate your journey. Celebrate with devotion, joy, and gratitude. Wishing you a blessed Navaratri. Like, share, and subscribe for more cultural insights and festival stories.